A glass of wine, overlooking rows of vines, sunlight reflecting in the glass. You might expect this somewhere in France, but you'll find it in our beautiful country too. Across the Netherlands, vineyards are opening their doors, offering tastings, tours and places to stay. These are 5 places to discover Dutch wine. Welcome to Orange Horizons, a podcast for travellers to the Netherlands who want to experience more than just the obvious. In our previous episode, we explored the rise of Dutch wine culture, how vineyards have spread across the country, and how climate and innovation are shaping a new wine landscape. If you want to learn more about that story, be sure to listen to that episode first. Today, we focus on something more practical: where to go. 5 places, 5 very different ways to taste Dutch wine. Let's start in the north. At Wijngaard du Friesling, one of the northernmost vineyards in the country, you can taste wines such as Johanniter and Suaviangi Grise. Their sparkling wine, known as Bruce wine, offers a fresh, aromatic style with a lively mousse. Visitors are welcome on the first Sunday of each month for tastings and guided tours. Other visits can be arranged by appointment. Further west, in North Holland, you'll find Wijngaard de Koning. What started as a hobby has grown into a serious vineyard. Tastings here often come with a personal explanation from the winemaker himself. One standout is Nagenietten, a dessert wine made from overripe grapes that are dried before pressing. The name, which translates roughly to savour afterwards, reflects the lingering, reflective enjoyment the wine is meant to evoke. Production is limited and availability can be scarce, making a reservation essential. Visitors can book a high wine or guided tour, starting from a modest price. In the centre of the country, near the River Ling, lies Betuwe's wine domain. This vineyard combines craftsmanship with experimentation. Wines are produced by hand, and the estate also offers non-alcoholic alternatives and other products derived from the grape. The red wine Linge Rude, in English Linge Red, made from Regent and Pinotin, is aged in oak for 12 months, resulting in a structured wine with soft tannins. The vineyard is open from Tuesday to Saturday, although calling ahead is recommended as events and private gatherings are regularly hosted on site. Head southwest to the province of Zeeland and you'll arrive at Wijnhoeve de Kleine Score. With over 45,000 vines, this is one of the largest vineyards in the Netherlands. The wines are closely linked to the local cuisine: oysters, shellfish and other regional products. One example is the Score Schuven Duivelen Barrique, a blend of Pinot Gris and Pinot Blanc with a fresh yet complex character. Tastings and tours are available for groups, and the estate also offers accommodation, a shop and seasonal events, including a wine festival in August. And finally, in the south, near Maastricht, you'll find De Apostelhoeve. Located on the slopes of the Lauwberg, this vineyard is known for its white wines and sparkling varieties. The setting, rolling hills overlooking the city, adds to the experience. Here, tasting wine often feels less like a visit and more like a short escape.
Product made with craftsmanship for all to enjoy. Apostelhoeve, wine since 1970.
If you are planning to explore Dutch wine, keep these 4 practical tips in mind. 1. Always check availability and book ahead. Many vineyards work with reservations, especially for tastings. 2. Visit different regions. From north to south, the landscape and the wine changes significantly. 3. Combine your visit with a walk or bike ride. Most vineyards are located in open, scenic areas. 4. Try something local to that vineyard, whether it's a sparkling wine, a dessert wine, or a regional pairing. Curious to discover more? Visit holland.com for seasonal travel inspiration, and don't forget to subscribe to Orange Horizons. This episode was produced by Break the Wire Concepts on behalf of the Netherlands Board of Tourism and Conventions, with visual design by Le Bureau de l'Eau and editorial direction from Elmar Rikas and Ger de Gram. And yes, the voice you just heard was generated by AI. But I promise you, the wines you'll discover are as real, rich, and full of character as the landscapes they come from. Thanks for listening, and see you on the next episode of Orange Horizons.